Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Crafting with Sneha. Today we are going to solve an interesting SQL problem. So let's get started. The problem name is Fix the Issue. And the problem is, since table sales was filled manually in the year 2000, product name may contain leading and or trailing white spaces. Also, they are case insensitive. Okay, and write an SQL query to report product name in lowercase without leading or trailing white spaces. Then sale date in the format year and month. Total the number of times the product was sold in this month. Return the result table ordered by product name in ascending order, and in case of tie, order it by sale date in ascending order. Okay, so our task is, first we have to clean the product name by removing the leading and trailing white spaces and converting into lowercase, right? Then second, we need to format the sale date to show only the year and month, right? And then we will count the number of sales for each product in each month, right? So look at this sales table. Sales table contains information about sales data such as the sale ID, product name, and sale date. Sale date, right? So look at the sale ID 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there is a product called LCphone with multiple sales record, right? The first sale was in January, the second sale also in January, and third sale was in February, right? But the product names are written differently. There are some spaces in sale ID 1, right? So in the output, LCphone sold 2 units in January and 1 units in February. Okay. So pause the video here and try it out yourself. So let's move on to the SQL server. First, our first task is we have to clean the product name by removing any leading and trailing white spaces, right? So first, we will use trim function to remove leading and trailing white spaces and convert it into lowercase, right? Our second task is we need to format the sale date to show only the year and month. So for that, we will use substring and cast. And our third case is we have to count the sale ID to find out the number of sales for each product in each month, right? So first we will select from sales. Okay, then in the output, we want to remove leading and trailing white spaces. Okay, so for that, we will use trim function to remove trim product name as product name. Okay, so trim function to remove any leading or trailing spaces, right? And then we will convert the names to lowercase. Okay, so lower product name, right? Then our second task is we need to extract the year and month from the sale date. Okay, so for that we will use substring sale date year and month, right? But substring does not allow the date data type, so we need to use cast as varchar, right? And then count the cell ID. Okay, to count the cell ID, to count how many times each product was sold in a particular month, right? Now we need to group the data by product name and sale date and sale date. We need to group the data by product name and sale date. So group by product name and sale date. Right. And we will order the results by product name in ascending order. Product name in ascending order. And in case of tie, then order by sale date ascending order. Right. Now I will run this query. See, in the output, it will show product name, sale date, and total. So product name in lowercase without leading or trailing spaces, the sale date in year and month format, and the total count of sales per product for each month. Right. Then instead of substring, second method, here instead of substring, we will use format function, format sale date into year and month format, right? So instead of substring, we can use format function in SQL Server. Now I will run this query and see. In the output, it will give the product name in lowercase without leading or trailing spaces, then sale date in the format of year and month, and the total count of sales per product for each month, right? I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.